I hope you all are doing well. So this is Megha Singh and I'm associated with GDG Ranchi community, and I'm here to share my opinion about how does it feel to get connected with these kind of communities. So I believe that if one gets associated with these communities like GDG, he or she gets ample access to the global network of developers, industry professionals, industry experts, community organizers and many more, where not only they get a platform to gain mentorship but also get a platform to share their knowledge among their peers and mates. So it basically gives you a platform where you can share, connect and meet people who share the same mindset and interest as you. So it goes without saying that GDG community, like a tech community, provides you a platform where you can meet the tech professionals within the industry. Apart from this, it also gives you opportunities where you can learn innovation, collaboration and how to work as a team. And the best part which I like is it teaches you how to work as a team.
I still remember the time when I joined the GDG community. It was the summer of the last year when I was totally unsure about what was happening around me. I was captivated by the pandemic and it almost felt like I was missing out. But that's when this community made me realize that even the longest of the distances can be bridged when you walk together. GDG Ranchi for me is like a medium to connect to hundreds of people from different technical backgrounds and different skill sets and to learn from them. It not only provides me an opportunity to enhance technical skills, but my interpersonal skills as well. There has always been ample of space for me to make mistakes, to go wrong and even to fail, but always to reflect upon them and grow into a better individual, which I always admired to be. And now I am able to use the skills that I develop at the GDG community to provide the students at my institute an inclusive space for them to learn, share and grow.
I have attended one of the GDG events, fortunately, because that's my only event of GDG that I've attended, because I have not been fortunate enough to attend much of the events because I have been a part of the community since 2021 itself, and the lockdown issue couldn't make me that fortunate that I could attend much of the events. But yeah, it was really a very memorable one. The event was Google I/O Extended and I really found it very interesting. The event was well planned and well organized. It had some quiz sessions as well as some speakers. The speakers right there were really amazing. They were really inspiring and very, very intellectual. They kept us motivated as well as interested in the stuff which they were telling. Also, it became a bit more memorable for me because the quiz which the event had made me win the merch of Google as well. I received an Android Studio merch from the Google community, and that made it a much memorable one for me. So it was really a memorable one and it was really nice one for me